Howdy friends, today's unboxing Amazon Great Indian Sale. I purchased from Amazon Saffola oil. Just unboxing. Before start the video, please like and video, subscribe my channel, please share this video. Need more video like this unboxing? Check in the top I button for more videos. Let's start. I already unboxed like this product. One more I give order. Because anything is product you purchase in online, I give unboxing. I get more than 319 rupees, I think. 4 pieces, not bad deal, it's good deal. So everything. This Saffola oil, the 4 pieces. Sorry guys for noise, for raining there. In July the manufacturing date. Again the different raining coming there. Very heavy guys, because oil this one. This Saffola oil. The actual price is 120 rupees per packet. See the manufacturing date. $135. Sorry, totally 4 piece get 319 rupees, include cashback. Okay guys, you want like this product purchase, I'll give you description box link. Want to purchase, need like this more unboxing my channel, check in the top I button for more videos. Anything product you want to purchase, check in the description box link how you want to purchase. You guys like and share this video. Don't forget to share this video. Okay guys, bye.